Most people plan a year with goals like grow or build more. For 2026, I'm doing something different. I'm picking a few measurable outcomes and I'm going to treat them like a contract with myself. This video is my 2026 plan. What I'm building, how I'm structuring my weeks, and what has to be true by December for me to call the year 2026 a success. 2025 was about momentum, shaping, rebuilding systems, and proving I can be consistent as a solo operator. 2026 is about turning that momentum into trust. Trust from pilot customers, trust from partners, trust from an audience that sees the work over time. So my 2026 plan is not about doing more projects. It's about finishing fewer things at a level that can't be ignored. Before I tell you what I'm building, here is how I'm building in 2026. I'm keeping the same constraint that actually works for me, meaning only 2 deep work tracks at a time. For me, that's Quantforge and Rugira. Then I also will be keeping a dedicated distribution rhythm, because if you don't build distribution while you are building the product, you will end up invisible. So here is the weekly structure. From Monday to Thursday, deep work on products, and Friday, packaging and distribution, content, outreach, partner follow-up, and then on the weekend, recovery, reflection, and one long thinking block. This is work-wise. Of course, during weekends I will also have some off time. And there is also one more rule. I'm optimizing for consistency, not sprints, because 2026 is a long game. So let's start first with Quantforge. Quantforge is the institutional grade trading infrastructure I've been prototyping, where a demo is no longer enough. So the product has to be reliable, auditable, and useful under real constraint. In 2026, the goal is straightforward: to move from pre-launch to real pilots. Here are the concrete outcomes I will be aiming for Quantforge. So, number 1, working proof that is undeniable. So, paper trading results that are reproducible. Number 2, 3 serious pilot relationships, not vanity leads, real conversations with real constraint. And number 3, a clear path to funding, whether that's a small round, revenue-based, or a disciplined bootstrap path. What I'm not doing in 2026, it's endless features expansion. What I'm doing is building the smallest version that the pilot can trust and measuring everything. And now, secondly, let's talk about Rugira. So, Rugira is my execution platform mindset, non-custodial, risk-aware, and built for real operators. In 2026, Rugira has one major theme: graduation. So, graduation from backtest to paper trading, graduation from paper trading to controlled live trading. And the concrete outcomes of this is, number 1, a stable paper trading system on Binance that runs continuously. Number 2, a repeatable backtest to paper validation flow, so results are comparable, not random. And number 3, a controlled live phase with strict limits, small size, clear kill switches, and clear reporting. So if Quantforge is about institutional readiness, Rugira is about operational truth. Can it run day after day without drama? And yes, that's what I'm building for Rugira. And third, distribution. In 2026, I'm treating distribution as a first-class system, not marketing later, not I will post when I have time. So for Monday Layer and Gafatozi, the goal is simple. I will be showing up every week with something that moves the story forward. My distribution commitments: number 1, one long-form video regularly, and a realistic cadence I can sustain. Short clips and writing that summarize what I learned that week. And number 3, direct outreach, consistent conversations with builders, allocators, and partners. because the best product in the world doesn't matter if nobody sees it, and the best network doesn't matter if you don't ship. So this also includes participating in real life events in Zurich and Zug. Like I'll be going to Davos, I'll be going to St. Moritz in the coming weeks for high-level networking events. And then there is also the long-term thesis about tokenized gold, compliance and building bridges between Switzerland and Rwanda. In 2026, I'm not pretending I can solve everything at once. My plan here is to stay consistent, to deepen the research, to write more clearly, and to turn the thesis into small verifiable artifacts, notes, drafts, and frameworks. So if product is the short-term game, purpose is the long-term game for me. And obviously, I want both. So let me make all of this measurable. So by the end of December 2020, success looks like this. Quantforge has a working proof plus pilot traction. Rugira runs stable paper trading and enters controlled live. I ship regularly, content and outreach every week. I am healthier and more stable than I was at the start of the year. Not because balance is trendy, but because the builder is the bottleneck. With today's technology, we are becoming the weakest link in the whole system. And that's the plan. So if you're building something in 2026 too, I'd love to know what's your one non-negotiable outcome for the year. Subscribe if you want to follow the building public journey, products, process, and the real work behind it. And I was happy to have you around. See you in the next one. Ciao.